In this video, we're going to show you how to put ink in your Epson 2850 ecotank printer. So as you see here, we've already put the yellow in. And as you can see down here, the yellow is now full, the magenta is full, and the cyan is full. So now we're going to do the black. So we're going to take the yellow off. Put the cap back on, because there is a little bit left inside all of these bottles, which we're gonna hope that we can use later on. So now we're gonna open the black. And you're just gonna push it right onto that plastic nozzle right there, and then it will start guzzling it down. And you can watch it fill up down here. Okay, now it has stopped, and we're just going to take it off and put the cap back on, and that's it. That's how you put ink into your Epson 2850 ecotank printer.